Niguo maundu mauma bunge-ini ya kaunti ya Kitui kiroko kia umuthi. Mawakiri ya gavana wa kaunti no Charity Ngilu makionio kanyoni wa ngithe riria megwikinyitie bunge-ini no methaite na fairo mehariirie gutetera Ngilu.
Can you ask the speaker to give us a letter of cancellation? This is a public office. These are public grounds. If it was parliament, we would say si kwa mama yako na mama yako.
Jukaniriro hiyo na wikaniria wa miario ciambiriirie kwiyumiria ona mawakiri ya mataigirite bunge-ini no naona matakinyithitie maguru mao muromo-ini wa rigiriro ria bunge no. MCAs mauma ngingo-ini ciao makimatindika na kumahinyiriria macoke kuria mekumite.
They opened the gate and we marched in. They pounced on us, pushing us, assaulting us, and one of my colleagues, Lawyer Kimuli, was extensively manhandled, and we have taken him to seek medical advice so that we can see the extent to which he may have been injured.
MCAs aya marathete Ngilu ekinyie mbere ya bunge no gucokia ciuria itiganite cigimaine na kwagurwo gwake no handu hake gwikinyia atuma mawakiri yake undu uria utanoerwo no huthu ni MCAs aya gukunake Ngilu kuitukira rurenda rwake rwa Facebook agiukirira giko giki na njira nene guku akiuga uyu ni uteti utari na kihariro urambia kuhurwo kaunti-ini iyo.
Much as they have been served, they did not have any basis to bar lawyers who are representing the Honorable Governor from accessing the offices. These are public offices. Nobody was accessing the chambers. We simply wanted to access the clerk because there is additional information which he had asked for.
Imwe ya mithigire MCAs aya mabangite kuhagura Ngilu nayo ni hamwe no huthiri moru wa wabici kwaga kuhingia watho wa maiganania gwandikani-ini wa mawira kaunti-ini iyo kungatheria Senate riretwo gucokia ciuria ciigi huthiri wa kigina kaunti-ini iyo kwaga kurugamia wira amwe a ministers aria makoretwo matari na wigiriki mawira-ini mao gatagati ka maundu mangi.
Nobody should mishandle advocates, and this is one of those cases in which we will be asking the Law Society of Kenya to take up, because advocates should never be mishandled, manhandled or assaulted.
Kiumia kihituku igoti rinene guku Nairobi ni riarugamirie mubango wothe wa gutemania kana kwariririo kwa mutaratara wothe wa kuhagura Ngilu undu uria ukoretwo kirera kamwe MCAs makirigwo kiria giatumire atengere guku Nairobi na Kitui kuri na magoti makinyaniru.
The Assembly is acting in excess of its powers. It's acting with malice. It is acting irresponsibly, and for that reason we are going to carry that battle on until the declaration is.
Maya magithii na mbere Minister wa utamburukia wa mahinya Eugene Wamalwa na muikaririgete wa kaunti ya magavana Wycliffe Oparanya ni moreti MCAs mambe mahorere na marugamie mitaratara yothe ya kuhagura magavana niguo makorwo na ihinda ihoreru ria kung'ethanira na corona makaunti-ini. Kwa ihinda riri gavana atandatu manyitireire mara na ngundi magitigira kuhagurwo, amwe ao ari Charity Ngilu wa Kitui, Wycliffe Wangamati wa kaunti ya Bungoma, Salim Vuria wa kaunti ya Kwale, Patrick Haemba wa kaunti ya Trans Nzoia na gavana wa kaunti ya Vihiga Wilbur Otichilo, odomwe na Mohamed Kuti wa Isiolo.